You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. This is a type of accommodation. One would say hostel or auberge. Auberge, as we'd say in French. This is the Spanish word, also Mexican, or Mexican Spanish, let's say, used in Mexico is what I mean. Albergue is how you pronounce it. Albergue. Many would say albergue, looking at the spelling, but no. Albergue, you could say, if you cannot pronounce Spanish, your English pronunciation, albergue, from Spanish pronunciation, albergue. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.